This is a unit we've been waiting to see for quite some time. This is the Mont Blanc eNote, and this is the first device in our industry that has been labeled as luxury tech. For frame of reference, this is not an eNote company from its humble beginnings, as they have products on their website that exceed $1.2 million. So now that we can draw that parallel, let's continue. This is a $1,200 eNote that, at its inherent level, doesn't really look that different than anything else. And it's not. It has similar placement of ports, similar layout, and it's made out of aluminum like everything else. Technologically speaking, how does it differ from other devices? It doesn't really. It has a 3740 mAh battery and a pen that connects via Bluetooth, so you can push the button at the back and it does different things. The entire device has 3 different colors and is all made in Vietnam. Writing feel is different with its proprietary Wacom tips, and its functionality is far more limited than other devices in its class, I guess you could say. For $1,200, we are expecting to see a little bit more, but we won't know for certain until we get our hands one of these in studio. So for now, stay tuned for future videos. Goodereader, Connected Ink, 2025, Tokyo, Japan.